Good day, traders. This is Rich with some price action on the markets. Currently 4:05 p.m. July 9, 2021, Friday, end of the week, short week. Let's get into the weekend. Hope everyone's doing well. So make sure you subscribe, like the video, share the video, and comment on the video. There's a lot I can go over today. We had the SPY making all-time highs, or the SPX making all-time highs. We had Apple making all-time highs today. Beautiful daily. If you remember back in the day in my channel, late, I forgot when I sold my Apple in one of my accounts. I still had shares of Apple on a different account. And then I filed my taxes on the extension with the new
ATCO Atlantis.
Hold on. I filed my taxes based on the month delay, so May 15th, and I actually put in money into my retirement account, and I put it all into Apple at 125.25, I think it was. Went against me here on this day on 5/19 to 122.86, and now it's on 145. So it makes you look at long-term trading versus day trading for a second. You're like, maybe I just put all my money in there. I would have made this, that, and the other. So be it. But I'm still missing out on that original sell, but that's okay. That's part of the game, and I still had Apple from other accounts. Anyway, today. Pretty melt up kind of day. There's some setups, very minimal news. I didn't really trade much. All those small cap players were back. We had CARV back in the mix. We had this SGOC insanity. We had this TPST insanity. And I think I went away for a second and missed this DraftKings news event. I heard it was really good. Unfortunately, I was not here for that one. That was probably the biggest mover of the day. Actually, there's a call on Roku, but it was like a questionable call because there was like a secondary call about the same stock, but it was something totally different. So it got an extra boost, and Roku can rip your face off. 427, ish. I mean, went to 433.72. Really nice trade on that Roku news event if you caught that and you held some. Here's my day. Nothing really to talk about. I never really, my lowest point was on this SGOC. I was down $50 and I traded again. Actually, I was only trading SGOC with 25 shares. It was more about just trading small cap with small share size and not looking to make a fortune or lose a lot. You know what I mean? I just want to trade the small crap, see if I can find a good entry, and it failed 2 times in a row. Got out, and I was actually down like $50, and then I got in again on the third try, the try I really wanted, which set up exactly how I wanted. And if you wait patiently enough, then that one works. And I got most of that back, but then it flushed down, and I tried to let it run, and I don't know. Long story short, it didn't work out the way I wanted it to. But Disney was also just, I wasn't here. It was 175.50 break, and I would have gotten chopped around a little bit, but then it just broke out and made these 2-point move, 177.52. Just couldn't really get Apple going on that one. XPEV was a quick news event. Roku was that news event that I only took a little bit on. Cone and CARV and all those guys were just quick hits in and out. Moxie as well, and NEGG. So these 4 right here, the small crap stocks that I'm able to trade them. I'm talking to a couple people, and they're these are difficult traders. So if you trade them small though, and know what your risk is, and just get out when it doesn't work right away. Obviously sometimes it kind of pulls back on you and then moves. I talk about that all the time. But these are the stocks that if you learn to trade them, eventually you can build up on a little bit more size and be more comfortable and actually make like 1 or 2 points in a short period of time. And obviously it can go the opposite direction as well. But in this case, I was able to take a piece. I got 122 on the day. Pretty quiet week. I think, I'm up on the week. Had a couple good days, 1 flat day and 1 down day, I think. I don't really remember. Yesterday was nice. So between yesterday and today, it was, an average out to like 330 or 340, which I'll take. I'll take that. I think that SGOC is running right now, if I'm not mistaken. Let me see if I can bring that up. It's running up a little bit, but it's not doing much. But you can see here, man, $4 or so. High of 335 and made a high of 1880. Got a little choppy in here. And this is where I was looking to trade it, and I should have been trading it this whole way up, even though it was kind of sketchy through all these halts and everything. Anyway, yeah, I mean, finish the week up on the green side, which is good. You always want to go on the weekend on the right side if you can. I'm feeling pretty good, feeling confident. Yesterday was a little bit more toxic than I wanted it to be. I really messed up on that Dash news trade, and news was really quiet today. If there were some news events today, I think I would have had a really good day. But hopefully next week we pick up again. I know we're getting into summer trading pretty hard right now. So, I mean, markets just go up, right? So, I mean, we're due for a pullback at some point, but, you know, the bears are getting slaughtered a bit right now. And until they get their day, we're just going to keep buying stocks and, you know, hopefully make some good trades. So minimal trading today, but I got some action, got some green, and I'll close it up. So make sure you subscribe if you're new, like the video, share the video, and comment on the video. Let me know how your trading's going, what you're trading, what you traded today. Maybe you hung in there and took some good ones. Have a good night and a good weekend.